Yes, in last class we have covered topics till these, like these batch queries we will see. But okay. Now we will see align and hide components in an application. How we can do that. So let's open a dashboard. Let's open any dashboard. Yeah. Okay. So let's assume we want to hide the dashboard. We want to hide these components. Initially, we don't want these components. What we can do, from the properties pane, we can say visible is false. When we run, it won't be visible because its visibility we have set it to false. So that way we can hide the components. If you want to unhide the component based on some, let's say you can put a button component. Let me see. Okay. Bookmark panel. When we click on this, these components should be set to visible. So input field dot set visible, set visible. We are making its visibility as true. Then button one dot set visible true. Similarly, others also we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So and drop down dot set visible. So this is applicable for all the components. This method is available for all the components. And we click on bookmark panel. Second, here we have written the code actually. So we have written the code on this. Right, bookmark panel. So when we click on this button, those scripts will execute and will show all the components. So this panel will come. So that way you can hide unhide the component. Again, if you want to hide the component, you can say set visible as false with some other button. You can place a button and now I want to say hide panel. So instead of for true, you can say this component I want false. Yes, bookmark panel, hide panel. So hide and unhide you can do it. And also align, how to align the components. Like as you can see, right, these components are not aligned properly. So to align them for perfect pixel and all, you just select multiple components. Let's say you want to align them. So there is an option for how you want to align. Left align you want, or you want right align components, or top or bottom, evenly distributed. For example, the space between the components, you want even space. You want to start from right or left. Those alignments you can do with these options. Here you want a top align with this component that you can do. That way you can do Align and hide component in an application. Apply conditional formatting on charts. Okay, so for that let's create a chart. So we insert a chart component here. Let's say margin of 500. Let's see how it looks like. Then we'll see. No, wait, and maybe instead of 500, let's put 300 only. Oops, we just. And we'll assign a data source, same data source. So access rows, we have actual and SPLY. And let's put a filter also, so initially we see we get filter. Let's filter it for daily and display daily data only. Okay, so if it is more than 600, we want in some different color. So how to do that? That you can do it through conditional formatting. You can add a new rule in conditional formatting. Say high and a major or a dimension. You can select whether you want to highlight a particular major or a dimension. Let's say when actual, you can give the condition whether it is equal to, less than, or greater than. So if it is greater than 600, then it's very good. Let's put that in green. And medium, let's put major. Actual is less than 600. I will say low. Then show in red color. Our actual is greater than 600 always. So change the condition to instead of actual we'll use SPLY, because there we have different values. Put the rules instead of actual, let's have SPLY value. Yeah. So now as you can see we have uh, the SPLY value is more than 600, it's showing in green. If it is less than 600, it's showing in red. So but this format is very much limited, this formatting is very much limited, and it's also hard coded. You need to hard code the values here. It's not dynamic. Like if you want to say, oh, show top 10 in green and rest in some other color, so that is not possible here. This conditional formatting is very much basic, very basic formatting, and but this is what is possible as of now with the tool. So you can put multiple conditions and do the formatting. Okay, use QR code scanning to display an application on iPad. So if you want to display this application on iPad devices, there's direct option available, send to mobile devices using QR. Once you save it, then QR code will be generated. This you can copy to your clipboard and share it with the mobile devices, and you can scan this QR code and open the dashboard directly. You don't need to share the link of the dashboard or name of the dashboard. This QR code itself, they can open the dashboard. Connect to BW data sources. Yes, we'll see. Connect to. So I just note down what are the topics still pending. This is pending because these things we'll do with the batch queries. This is also we are going to do with batch query. So This is done, this is done, this is done, these are done. Okay, these all are done. Now these are remaining. So how to do that? Okay, so first we'll connect to a BW data source, or we'll create a local application and we'll publish that local application to the BI platform. So all things we will do it together. So first of all, let's create a connection in central CMC console. Yeah, central management console. Okay, central management console, login and create a new collab connection, because currently we are publishing the dashboard back on BI platform, right? So when you are working with BI platform more and you want to connect to BW data sources or HANA data sources, how you can connect is you create a OLAP connection in CMC for those data sources, and you can use that OLAP connection as a data source in your design studio. So how to create a OLAP connection is click on new connection. So I'll ask, so we'll say DS test, DS, let's say BW test first, and here we are going to connect to SAP NetWeaver BW. So server we want to connect, and system name is ERP key, no, not system. Okay, it's BW7, yes. Let me see other connections. What are the details? Mm, yes, BW7 is this. Let's take a screenshot. Keep it. Okay. So we can also create the connection using the same parameters. I'll say DS BW test. This is BW7. Server is ERP key. System number is 02. Yes, 02. The client is 001. And you can give a user ID and password here. SAP code is 3. And you can connect to a queue. So to connect to a queue, you need to give the credentials. Once you connect, you can connect either to a cube or there is an issue with the connection. You are not able to connect. Okay. Let's use existing connection if someone has created. PNFT. And let's see if we're able to use these connections in data, the data source directly. So this is the connection. So there are some issues with the connection itself. Hit this check that without that we can't do anything else. Okay, let me check with the server team what is the issue here. I'll stop the recording here.